now we're going to open my Wit Utensins surprise egg, sort of. And you can collect.
What?
On the box it says you can collect either.
What?
It's yellow Yoshi, green Yoshi, or red Yoshi.
Careful with those
or pink
scissors,
Yoshi.
But
bro.
I'm sure you can collect more than that because
I'm sorry.
last time it did not say you could collect the black one.
You're right.
But you
There's
can.
probably more.
There's a
So
lot.
you help him get it started and let him do it, okay?
Okay, bud.
10-10.
So, want to talk to them?
What are you opening? Is your egg green?
My egg.
It is green. And what color is your ranger? Did you get the blue ranger? Right
Yeah.
here? Blue?
Yeah.
And your red choo-choo?
And my red choo-choo.
That's right. Lots of colors, huh? Need some help with that, Jay?
I think I've got it.
Oh, you're making me
So,
nervous.
Mom, can I show mine while he's doing it?
We're going to do that in just a sec.
So
So this one was great. It was only $1.99, and I've seen them at GameStop for $3.49. Same with the Overwatch.
1, 2, 3. Which one you get?
Go! 1, 3, 2, 1. What do you say,
got
Jensen?
pink.
Go!
Pink. Oh, this is pretty cool.
Oh
She
yeah,
bounces.
pink Yoshi.
She moves.
bounces.
Look
Let's
at.
see.
So
Oh, she's a walker.
you can go like.
That's Yoshi walking music for you. All right, so with pink Yoshi, let's see what we have. We have the red Thomas.
Could you
Leave
put
a
on my
comment
green?
below because we don't know who that is. I'm sure it's probably on the sheet. We have pink Yoshi. We have a black Wii remote.
Here.
We have the Blue Ranger. We have the Ender Portal, which I think is pretty awesome. We have the Crossy Roads Pumbaa. And we have
Tira.
Tira. Is that right?
Yeah, I
Leave
think
a,
so. Anybody
leave a
know?
comment?
Yeah, because last time I don't quite remember.
Now
All
it's
right.
time to show you my cards.
All right.
So I got another hallway,
Hallway 1. I'm pretty sure it's Hallway 1.
Balloon Boy the video game, the party room,
A little bit slower. Nice. And hold them still when you get by me, okay?
some kind of graffiti,
Oh, that's like fan art. That's
With
really cool.
Freddy.
Love it.
some
More fan
That
art.
one's my favorite.
What does it have in it?
Human kids.
Yeah, that's
What?
actually what
Yeah,
they
what
eat.
else would you have? He's singing.
No, no
That's
way.
nice.
It's Balloon Boy's ID card
He has all access clearance.
and a Balloon Boy foil card.
Very cool.
Okay, next pack we will be opening. We will be opening. Mom, can you cut that out?
Mm-hmm.
We will be opening the Five Nights at Freddy's Collector's Pack number 2.
Where am I going?
These remind me so much of Pokemon. I think, like maybe
scary
next
version.
video we might be opening some packs too.
But after this,
Oh,
I'm
this
gonna play
card.
some Fortnite.
It's like this is the stage.
Oh.
This is the stage. It's
Spook.
pretty freaky.
Yes, that one scares me.
There's Bonnie.
Looking into the camera.
Also, very scary. Tell them the
Another
story
Bonnie?
about what happened when Mommy played
Another
Five Nights
Bonnie?
at Freddy's on the iPad.
Okay, so my mom was playing Five Nights at Freddy's on the iPad, and she got jump scared by Bonnie, and she threw her iPad across the room.
Thankfully, it didn't break, but since then we have a broken iPad.
We got Toy Chica in the party room.
Oh, that one's weird. I didn't even know there was a party room.
We got Withered Bonnie.
What is that? Does that mean
Oh my heaven.
no? Scotty.
Who's Scotty?
Scotty.
We got
Scotty.
Happy, please. We got
Security guard.
No, yeah, we got the security
Guard.
name tag.
ID.
We got the security
Oh,
ID foil.
cool. So you can put your own name in there and your own picture.
Yeah.
That is
Look
cool.
at this right now. My brother's just playing with everything that we've got.
Okay, my turn.
Like that?
Open.
Yeah. So
Okay.
these things are very good quality. I wasn't
Blue boy
expecting
in
it
the
to
van.
be like this nice. Like so far, there haven't been any like
Repeats?
repeats or anything.
Ooh.
Toy farm.
That one is scary. Is he in the air ducts? Is
Yeah.
that what that is?
Yeah.
Ooh.
No, he's in the vent system.
I think that's the same thing, right?
Well, yeah.
Kind of, I think.
And then net
Oh, that one's pretty cool.
is Chica.
So another
Toy
ID.
Chica. Toy Chica's ID.
I like this one.
Oh, me too. I like those ones.
Mom,
The
you're
ones
gonna
that are pixelated.
Mom, you're gonna absolutely hate the next one.
We're waiting kind of
Oh,
Golden
my
Freddy.
goodness.
And which I think is kind of cool.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks.
Wow.
Fun fact. I watched this YouTuber named Game Theory, and he's thinking that Golden Freddy is a girl. Yep.
What do you think about that? Leave a comment in the.
Yeah, I agree with him. Well, just because, well, it is a theory. It's called Game Theory.
He has lots of theories. doesn't
But he really,
What's his
he?
name?
I
He's
like
Magic
it,
Man.
Tennyson. What else do you have?
Oh, Foxy.
Oh, cool.
Mom's gonna
so I got
cry.
Foxy.
Oh my heavens.
Oh, another thing.
I got the congratulations sign.
We both got that. Double.
Would you like to see what it says?
No.
Double. Where's mine?
No?
Where's mine? Where's mine? Where's mine?
Oh,
Here's
no.
the order of Jeremy Fitzgerald, $100.50. Welcome to the family, Fazbear Entertainment. Is that a check? Is that a
Me and
Jason
paycheck?
same
got a
one.
Chica one.
Yeah, that's the check for when you beat the night. I got the Freddy Fazbear's Chica
I got a Chica too.
ID.
Oh, so we
It's
have
like
two
a fan
different
art.
Chica IDs, huh?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
All right.
I got Celebrate Freddy Fazbear's Pizzeria.
Oh.
I got 12 a.m. first night.
Now that's the first one of those that you guys have gotten. That looks like fan art too, doesn't it?
Dude, that's on the pack.
I
That
got
card's
this
on the
one.
pack.
You can see it's on the pack. This one's my favorite one so far.
Oh, that's similar to the one that Patrick just got, right?
A little bit.
Similar to this one?
Yeah, it's the
they're
same
kind of
character.
Similar.
And I
The
got
puppet.
the puppet
The puppet.
master.
Oh, that's so scary.
Yeah, that's my favorite character because it's like a good animatronic.
Okay, now I'm
it's like a
opening.
good guy.
He's a good guy?
I
kidnaps
don't know if
kids.
it's a he or she, but
It's a good guy?
he defended.
He's,
He or she defended.
he rescued
defended
the kid.
some kids and
Awesome.
stuff like
All
that.
right, Pat.
Oh yeah,
This is my third
Here,
pack.
Treats, I did. He or she tried to set all of these souls free from the animatronic suits, but
That's
it
cool.
did not work
Okay.
that well.
Number one.
That's a cute one. That looks like fan art, right? Very
You
cute.
think
It says,
it's cute and it has a knife?
that's true. That's true. It's cute in a scary way.
Next one from Five Nights at Freddy's 3.
So far, no duplicates.
Thanks.
Yeah, right.
Well, that one's not foiled. That one's not
No,
foiled.
it's not. And the last one doesn't say Jeremy Fitzgerald on it. It says,
Here.
oh, all right. We got Freddy's All Access Clearance.
I like this card.
That's
A lot.
horrifying. Absolutely,
love it.
That's
That is
fan art.
absolutely horrifying.
You think this is horrifying?
Huh?
Oh,
That's a fan art, Mom.
my
That's a fan art.
goodness.
Yes! It's
Who is that?
That's
Chica. Chica.
Five Nights at Freddy's 4 Chica.
That is so scary.
I think this is cute.
Oh, that is cute.
It's
But
little plushie.
it's a charm that makes Chica attack you more often.
The
That
cupcakes?
plushies.
Yeah.
Those plushies make. Okay, this is my last pack. I'm hoping to get something amazing.
You need scissors to cut it
Do
open.
you want to hand him those scissors the right way?
I'm good. I don't need scissors.
There we go. That's how we have to. Well, we
No,
don't.
thank you. Okay, we will be posting a video hopefully soon. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos. And yeah.
Comment down below what kind of videos you want to see.
Yeah, and if you want us to see, you want us to open more Overwatch blind bags, more
Or
of
play
these,
Fortnite.
more of these cards, because these are very entertaining actually. We got Freddy Fazbear's Mike Smith. Wait, do we have this guy?
No.
Yeah, we do.
No, you have Jeremy.
I have
Jeremy
Jeremy.
Fitzgerald.
Mike
Do
Smith.
you know who those guys are?
They're
No,
the
I've
security
never heard of
guards.
them.
They're the security guards that you are.
Let's see. Oh, good job, honey. Look at that. So nice.
We got Rusty, Freddy.
Rusty
Fazbear.
Freddy.
Keep on.
That looks like fan art, right?
Yeah.
Keep that
There we
music
go.
playing.
We
that
got
music playing.
so she is in a music box. That's why she's saying keep that music playing.
Oh, is that? Oh,
She or he.
Goodness.
We got a pixelated Freddy Fazbear.
Love it.
Happy birthday. It looks like it's cut out. Like Chica.
Chica in the cup.
Oh, that's cool.
We got
We got
Dang
duplicates.
it. The last card I get is a duplicate.
Ah,
From me.
let's see which
Got
one.
a duplicate of
That's pretty good though. I mean, for the first time out of all these packs.
We
one
will be
duplicate.
giving that away.
You got it, and it's a foil, so it's.
Can we give that away? on our channel?
Absolutely.
We'll
You
give
bet.
this card away. First few people.
First person to comment down below.
So,
Yeah, first person to comment down below
the
or
last
leave or subscribe gets
Duplicate.
the card.
duplicate. Duplicate.
No way.
Duplicate. Not duplicate.
That is so funny.
The first few people to
Yeah,
Get
Open.
these.
that is so funny.
these cards. They get
All of our
this.
duplicates.
So the first person to subscribe gets this card. Second person to subscribe.
You know what? No, we're gonna do a big giveaway. The first person to subscribe gets all of these cards.
Yes.
I don't know who this is.
All right, sign off.
Bye.